So SWARCO are probably one of the largest ITS providers in the UK and Ireland, but much beyond that, we are an international company, everywhere from the US to all of Europe, to Middle East, wherever you might think of, the provision of ITS products and particularly now services and how we grow that and how we grow the business around the world. So exciting times.
And when it comes to traffic signals, you've maybe got 2 or 3 choices in the UK and one of them is SWARCO.
Correct. So the PTC1 is the current traffic controller solution. The PTC3 is the new solution, which is going to be launched in the next about 2 months around that, which is an update to the controller. It has sort of AI capability and various other things associated with it. And that's quite an exciting time for the rollout. And then again, it cements the position of the future of that controller position in that market. Aligned as well with obviously the signals, the signal heads, the aspects, the whole shebang really in terms of the end-to-end in terms of ITS solutions.
Because when you actually really come down to it, and you can look at some brilliant innovations in intelligent transport systems, but really the number one way to manage traffic in urban centres is through traffic signals.
Correct. So one of the good things about ITS is that it's a relatively stable industry in that sense. So we are always bringing new innovations and new edges to it, but the base is very solid. The base is around making sure that the traffic flow is consistent, is well managed, and that you're getting traffic moving through town, cities, and through the countryside. That is done through the basics of traffic control. So while I talk a lot about products and solutions around that, the basics of it are making sure stuff is well maintained, well looked after, that we're responsive, that the customers are looked after, and that the end user is considered in that journey.
And when you're talking about an international business, how much are you learning from colleagues around the world, and how much are the UK a leader when it comes to ITS?
So definitely a leader, a big part of our organisation now in terms of both number of people, in terms of scale, in terms of where we've grown over the last 3 or 4 years. You've seen around the acquisitions, various things of how we've grown, building capability all the time. So very influential, I think, and a very big part of the organisation in terms of that group.
Is it fun?
I think so. Yeah, I think we have a great team. So I have, if you look at those regions and the different parts of the world we talked about, so I have a team of that work with me and the different heads of regions in the same role as me. We're very collaborative, we're very open, but there's also a huge amount of local sort of autonomy in order to get things done. So a lot of trust, and one of the great parts of the business as it's been set up is us the ability to really make a difference in our regions, grow our businesses through acquisitions, but also through product development, through solution development, and through managing people in a really positive way and taking our business forward. So the answer to it, yeah, it's fun. Yeah, it's a great business, it's a great industry, and we're very proud to be in it.